In 2003, Tesla Motors is founded by friends and engineers Martin Eberhard and Marc Tarpenning, who named the company for the physicist Nikola Tesla. Elon Musk, the guy we think of when we hear Tesla, became chairman of the board and lead investor a year later, and he helped the company raise $7.5 million in the first round of its funding. The first Tesla was the Roadster. It used lithium-ion battery cells, and it had a range greater than 200 miles per charge. It also cost more than $100,000. The year Tesla celebrated its 5th birthday, Musk was named CEO. By this time, Musk has reportedly invested $70 million of his own money into the company. As CEO, Musk announces the second Tesla, the Model S. Starting at $50,000, it was the first electric luxury sedan. By 2010, Tesla was looking to grow. Enter Toyota. The automotive giant invests in Tesla, helping the company buy a shuttered factory in Fremont, California to build cars. In the same year, Tesla raised $226 million in its IPO. It was the first American car company to go public since Ford. 3 years after Musk unveiled the Model S, deliveries began, and Tesla announced its next car, the Model X, an SUV. Tesla also quietly started building supercharging stations across California. 2013 was a big year. Dangerously close to bankruptcy, Musk actually had a handshake deal with Google to buy the struggling car company. But at the end of the first quarter, Tesla posted profits for the first time since going public. Musk then broke off negotiations with Google. Later that year, 3 Model S sedans caught fire following damage to the car's batteries. Tesla reinforced the battery compartments on all the other Model S's, but the stock still plummeted. Hoping to drive down the cost of batteries, Tesla started construction on a battery factory outside of Reno, Nevada. In 2015, after more than 2 years of delays, the company finally launches the Model X. Tesla has more than 50,000 vehicles on the road and 419 supercharging stations.